In this digital world, there are endless numbers of opportunities to earn money by creating a website to represent your idea or business online. The reason why many people still do not have a website is the cost of hosting. They are probably not aware of the existence of free web hosting. So in this video, we are talking about the top 4 websites for free web hosting. So this is me Mafaz from Tech Crimson. 1. 000webhost.com is considered to be the best platform for free domain hosting. This is also the most popular platform as its specifications for free website hosting are exactly the same as the paid hosting packages. It offers a 99.9% uptime guarantee. It offers more than enough space, 1 GB, to host your website, and the bandwidth is large enough, 10 GB, to upload large files. There are one-click auto-installers for over 50 popular scripts. 2. x10hosting.com. If you are looking for free cloud hosting, and that too without any investment, x10hosting.com is your ideal destination. It is a full-featured free website hosting platform with SSD servers for lightning-fast speed. You can also get a free domain name to get started and put your website online within minutes. You will have complete control to host your customized website through advanced cpanel. There are one-click installers for over 300 popular scripts like WordPress, Joomla, MyBB, and likewise. 3. ZeroFees.us is another free web hosting no-ad site and has been operating for over a decade now. The following are the features you will get with Zero Fees free domain hosting. 300 MB disk space, 10 GB of monthly transfer, PHP with MySQL support. You can have 5 subdomains and add-on domains, an FTP account, file manager, and script manager. 4. Freeostia.com is a relatively new name in free website hosting. It will let you host 5 domains, and it provides 250 MB of disk space, which is enough for starters. The bandwidth is 6 GB, and you will get 3 email accounts. Along with that, they offer 24/7 customer support. You will get a backup feature, site statistics, subdomains, website accelerator, website manager for URL redirection, error detection, IP blocking, and much more. Select any of the above-mentioned free web hosting sites and get your website hosted today. Reach out to your targeted traffic and make your website become viral without any investment in web hosting. Thank you for watching.